Minerva Mills Ltd. Ors Union of India Ors July 31, 1980. In this video we delve into the landmark case of Minerva Mills Ltd. Ors Union of India Ors, a significant judgment delivered by the Supreme Court of India on July 31, 1980. This case has had a profound impact on industrial relations and labor rights in the country, shaping the administrative powers of public sector undertakings and the role of judicial activism in protecting the rights of workers. We analyze the judgment in the context of employment law, constitutional law, and the legal history of India, highlighting its relevance in the realm of labor regulations and judicial review. The Minerva judgment serves as a crucial precedent, offering valuable insights into the Indian judiciary's approach to balancing the interests of workers and employers. Join us as we explore this important case and its enduring significance in the field of labor law. Hi, I am Advocate Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, bringing you a video on this fascinating topic like this. But before you start watching this video, I request you to kindly subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my YouTube channel. To view videos like this more, please leave a comment below, telling your thought and idea about this video and future videos you want. Kindly share this video with your friends, family, and social groups to spread this knowledge. Join me as I dive into the landmark Minerva Mills judgment of 1980 and challenge myself to uncover how it truly changed the course of India forever. The Minerva Mills case is a landmark decision in the context of the Indian Constitution, and it's essential to understand its background to appreciate its significance. In this case, the Supreme Court had to intervene in a dispute between the government and a textile mill, which ultimately led to a crucial pronouncement on the limits of parliamentary power. The case is a testament to the judiciary's ability to protect individual rights and ensure that the Constitution remains the supreme law of the land. The case Minerva Mills Ltd. Ors Union of India Ors is a landmark decision by the Supreme Court of India, delivered on July 31, 1980. It is a pivotal judgment in Indian constitutional law that reinforced the basic structure doctrine and addressed the balance between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Here's a summary. Key facts. Background. Minerva Mills, a textile manufacturing company in Karnataka, was taken over by the government under the Sikh Textile Undertakings Nationalisation Act, 1974. The company challenged the constitutional validity of the act, 42nd Amendment. The petition also questioned the validity of certain provisions of the Constitution introduced by the 42nd Amendment, 1976, which significantly expanded the powers of the Parliament and curtailed judicial review. Issues addressed. Validity of the 42nd Amendment. Sections 4 and 55 of the 42nd Amendment sought to amend Articles 31C and 368. These changes aim to give directive principles of state policy, DPSPs, precedence over fundamental rights, and limited the judiciary's power to review constitutional amendments. Basic structure doctrine. The court was tasked with determining whether these amendments violated the basic structure of the Constitution. Supreme Court's decision. Basic structure doctrine reaffirmed. The court reaffirmed the doctrine laid down in Kesavananda Bharati Veer, State of Kerala, 1973, which states that Parliament can amend the Constitution but cannot alter its basic structure. It held that judicial review, rule of law, and balance between fundamental rights and DPSPs are part of the Constitution's basic structure. Sections 4 and 55 of the 42nd Amendment struck down. The court invalidated the amendments to Article 31C, which sought to give absolute primacy to DPSPs over fundamental rights. The attempt to curtail judicial review under Article 368 was also struck down. Fundamental rights versus directive principles. The court held that fundamental rights and directive principles are complementary and must be harmonized. Neither can be given absolute primacy. Judicial review. The power of judicial review was upheld as an essential feature of the Constitution, ensuring checks and balances. Key observations. Balance between rights and governance. Justice Y.V. Chandrachud, writing for the majority, emphasized that giving unchecked power to the legislature would jeopardize individual freedoms. Preservation of democracy. The judgment highlighted that the Constitution's framers intended to create a system where the rights of individuals are protected while enabling the state to pursue socio-economic goals. Significance. The Minerva Mills case is a cornerstone in the evolution of constitutional law in India. It solidified the basic structure doctrine as a safeguard against arbitrary constitutional amendments. It struck a balance between individual freedoms and state policy,